Good morning, everyone. Alan here, and today we are headed over to the property to do part 2 of our new food plot. So as last video you saw that we kind of got the trees cleared out and got it back down to pretty much bare dirt except for some roots sticking out. So we're going to take the tiller. I believe that's going to be the best option, and try to get everything tilled up. And I want to probably plant the seeds here toward the end of August. So anyway, I'm inviting you to come along, and we're going to get this project started. It's a beautiful day here in Central Virginia. Our humidity has dropped off some. The temperatures are out of the 90s and back into the low 80s. So it's just a perfect day to do some work. And so anyway, it's sunny, bright. Everything's looking good. So come along and we'll get to work. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some deer running across the road here. Usually when I come in, there's a couple, 2 or 3 over here to the right side, and they'll I'll scare them up, they'll run across. But actually I think I see one down here at the edge of the food plot. Get the old binoculars out and take a look before we get down there. Nope, that's just some brush. Looked like a big buck. Wishful thinking.
Well, nothing like jumping right into work. I purchased this tiller from Everything Attachments. It's the Terra Force 60-inch tiller, and this thing is a beast. I was a little apprehensive. This is the first time I've been in ground where it's hadn't been in a field or in a yard or whatever, so I knew there were lots of roots, rocks, and who knows what else. But this thing handled it. It is a forward spinning tine, so it tends to just throw the things toward the back, and I didn't have anything get hung up in it. But you'll see here some sticks hanging up, and if you listen you can probably hear some of the rocks when it takes it, but it went right on down through it, no problem at all. So anyway, hope you'll stick around and watch, and we're going to get this field transformed into a place ready to plant some seed.
Well, welcome back everybody, and you can see behind me that we got the ground tilled up real nice. That tiller did a great job, and in fact I went over it just probably several times trying to really get it loose, get those little roots that were sticking up, and it chopped those things up real good. So now I've gone up and put the landscape rake on, and we're going to just go over it well, probably a couple times, and just pull out any big rocks. I know there's a few big rocks in there. Get those out, and the sticks, leave all the debris up on the upper end, and then this will also smooth it out a little bit, and then we'll be ready for fertilizer, lime, and seed. So anyway, just bring you along and show you this process. I think the thing that I learned about using the tiller is that when you get to an end, make sure you go ahead and just pull the lever and lift it. Don't stop, because it'll just sit there and dig a hole. So I had a few places that you could probably dig a ditch with it. But anyway, so that was one thing that I learned, is that get to the end of a row, just start pulling that up so that it just doesn't sit there and dig. And so anyway, but I think using the tiller and the landscape rake are a good combination here to get it to the final seed bed. I don't know what I'll do after I put the seed down. I do have just a harrow drag, and I might put that on there and just kind of run that back over the top, just to make sure that we've got good seed to soil contact. So anyway, thanks for coming back, and we're going to get started here and show you the work. All right, let's get to work. All right, well, that ends part 2 of our new food plot. And as you saw, we came in, did the rototiller, got it nice, probably 6 or 7 inches deep, then took the landscape rake and went back over it, got all the debris off the top. So it's pretty smooth. I'm going to do a pan shot here and show you. But whenever you can get into a pattern of going around in a circle and making figure eights, that seems to really do well in terms of getting things smooth and smoothed out. I did some straight lines at first to kind of get a lot of the debris off, but really it started to take shape and smooth out when I started doing the circles and figure eights. So just a little something that works for me. Hopefully it'll work for you. But anyway, next week, hopefully next week we'll be back, or the week after, one or the other, and we'll put down some fertilizer, some lime, and some seed. I'm probably going to try to seed about the middle of August, maybe the 3rd week in August, somewhere around in there. But anyway, thanks for tuning in and staying with us, and I'm really excited about getting the seed down and seeing the plants come up through the ground, and this whole place will be lush green, hopefully I'm hoping by October anyway. So anyway, we'll give you an update, give you a progress report. So thanks for sticking with us, and please hit that like button, share them with your friends, subscribe if you don't mind. That really helps the channel. And above all, I hope you have a blessed day. Take care. God bless.